Hey everybody, it is Karen and I am here today with a video of me unboxing this Michael Kruselings doll. I don't know if you can tell by my voice, but I am sick. This is the first day in like several days I've been out of my bed and upstairs. I'm the only one home right now. My husband and my son are on a business trip, so the dogs are lonely, so I dragged myself up here so they could chill with me in my office while I unbox this. I actually bought this Michael doll quite a while ago. Doll Joy Lissa had posted on her community post in YouTube that Amazon had these dolls on sale for $20, and I immediately snagged him. Now I'm only missing one of the Kruselings dolls. I believe it's Sophia, and I'd been wanting Michael for a while, and this was a really good price, so I want to say thank you so much to Lissa for pointing this out. And even though I got him on Prime, sometimes when you buy Prime items, they're not actually coming from Amazon and they're like third-party sellers, and it doesn't ship forever. And so this didn't ship forever, and then I had like 2 unboxings before him. So yeah, it's been a while since I've actually purchased him. I don't know if he's still on sale on Amazon, but if you're looking for a Michael's Kruselings doll, you might want to check there. In fact, I like to get them used because usually I don't like to spend, though I won't spend, if I can get them on Amazon for free shipping, unless I can get them used at a price that's lower than Amazon with the free shipping, I'm not going to buy them. I'll get them on Amazon if they're on Amazon. Anyway, so I'm going to unbox him and then I'm going to show him to you out of the box. And I am really excited to have this doll. I've just been sick, so I'll be back in a moment after I've taken him out and show him to you, okay? I'm popping in really quick to say that I should have been more careful with the inside of this box, because it would make really good mirror material if you were doing a doll diorama. I suppose I could still use it for such. I will try. Actually, I'm going to save this piece. And I'll be back with the actual unboxing. I'm going to recycle everything else. Okay, I'm back. I've got him out. It was actually really easy to unbox him. There he is standing next to Vera. No. Oh, I've forgotten their names. Vera, Joy, Sophia, Chloe maybe? This will tell me. Chloe. Yeah, I was right. This is Chloe. So, it looks like, why are all the girls fairies, but he's not? Is that true? Kruselings. Luna. Chloe. I don't know if you guys can see this. Vera. So is he just the sidekick? Sophia. This is them in their fairy forms. Joy. And poor Michael. He doesn't get a fairy form. He must be the sidekick. Anyway, he came with a brush. And I put up his hoodie just to show you that he can wear it. And I'm going to take Chloe away. And we'll take a little look at him. I'll take off his hoodie. I love his hat. It's so cute. It's not attached to his head, I don't think. No, it was just attached to his box. It's nice that there's a boy doll in this line. His hoodie, everything is really well made as usual with his clothes. I'm just going to show you this really quick. They are the same size, so I'm assuming his clothes would fit the girls. I hope you can see the nice detail on his jeans here with the stitching. I don't know if this will stain him or not. It's got cute cuffs on the bottom. And no socks on his tennies, sneakers, trainers. His wrists move a little bit. His head doesn't really move. Oh, here's the kajinkers stuck into his skull. I'll have to push those back in or cut them down. His hair is, you know, it's not super nicely rooted, but it's not horrible at all. Like, it's not super thick. You can see the big lines here. And it's, what's the word I'm looking for? Layered. So it shapes around his head nicely. He's a cutie. I really like him. Everything's Velcroed. Underneath, he does have underwear on, apparently. So he has some tighty whities on. He's got some briefs. That's cute. That's a really nice little detail. He's got this plastic Velcro, which I actually really like. I need to see if I can find some of that on AliExpress. So anyway, there he is. His adorable hoodie. You can see it's got the Kruselings label on the inside. It's really nicely made. The hoodie strings actually are in there, and you can tighten it up. I find the construction of this interesting, how they have it in 3 sections here. That's very interesting. And I just love his hat. I'm going to take those little kachinkers out before I put his hat back on so I don't snag it. With that, I'm going to say goodbye. I hope you guys are doing well. I am actually on the mend, so hopefully by this week, I should be back to my old miserable self. And give me a like, a comment about the Kruselings. Tell me if you have any, if you're going to get some. If you do have them, which ones do you have and which ones do you still want? And yeah, keep an eye out on Amazon, especially this time of year. Keep checking Amazon every day if you put your favorites, because it's getting close to Christmas and the deals are going to start coming. Also, I keep seeing on my app, it's 11/11. The AliExpress sale 11/11 is happening very soon, and that you can usually get really good deals on Blythes and stuff for that. So make sure you check that out. And now I'm going to go away and rest. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.